Hi, I'm Bala Natarajan. I'm a professor of electrical and computer engineering at Kansas State University. I am visiting IIT Gandhinagar as a Fulbright Nehru specialist. This visit is for about a month. My core research expertise is in statistical signal processing, and over the years I have used it to applications in many domains, including wireless communication, sensor networks, and more recently in cyber physical systems. So that's the theme that has brought me to IIT Gandhinagar. I work with faculty here engaged in research in cyber physical systems. I've spent about 2 weeks already here, and I've had a really wonderful time exploring the campus. It's with all the rains, it's kind of nice and green campus. The food is excellent. I have already delivered a couple of seminars, and I found the students to be really enthusiastic. They like to learn. They are not hesitant to ask questions. And my interactions with faculty have also been extremely fruitful.